You have already learned number line. Number line is like this. A line, the two arrows and written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. as equidistant. So, in this number line, these two arrows means we can extend this to both sides. The arrow indicates that this is not ending, this is going towards both the sides. So, when you go towards the side, you know what are the numbers? 8, 9, 10, etc. It is infinite. Same way here also some numbers are there. That is like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. towards that right side, and towards the left side it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. The negative sign indicates that it is less than 0 and it is just opposite of 1. Opposite of 1 is -1, opposite of 2 is -2, opposite of 3 is -3, and the other way also, opposite of -3 is +3. So, we know on the real number line, towards the right it increases and towards the left it decreases. Here also same way. So, towards the right of the number line it increases, towards the left of the number line it decreases. That means all these numbers are less than 0. Less than 0 means that should be indicated by a negative sign. And what we are learning is integers. Integers means positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 together form integers. Integers means positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 together form integers. And we have learned this. Towards the right of the 0 it is positive, towards the left it is negative. What about 0? What is the sign of 0? No sign. That means 0 is neither positive nor negative. It is not a positive number, it is not a negative number. That means it is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Then positive numbers, negative numbers together with 0 is known as integers. Then opposite of +1. I have already mentioned that opposite of +1 is -1. Opposite of +6, -6. Opposite of -7, +7. Just change the sign and write. Opposite of +1, -1. Opposite of +6, -6. Opposite of -7 is +7. Then, in real life situation we know what is profit and loss. If you earn something it is profit, if you lose it is loss. So, profit means it is always positive. We are taking the profit as positive and loss as negative. Profit is positive and loss is negative. In the same way, when you deposit the money to the bank, deposit means plus, the money is increasing, the amount in the bank is increasing. So, we are taking it as positive. When we withdraw the money from the bank, it is actually negative. So, the money is decreasing, the amount in the bank is decreasing. So, we are taking the withdrawal as negative and depositing as positive. Then, the real life example is, for a number line we can take, all are familiar with the passenger lift. Passenger lift, usually the ground floor is mentioned as 0. The ground floor is mentioned as 0 and below that they are mentioning as -1, -2, etc. And above, the first floor onwards, they are mentioning as +1, +2, etc. That is the real example of that real number line. So, next is represent the following as numbers with a sign. 8 steps left of 0. 8 steps left of 0 means, left of 0 means it was, we should go left. 1 minus 1, 2 steps minus 2, 3 steps minus 3 and so on. So 8 steps left of 0 means it is minus 8, and 7 steps towards the right of 0. Towards the right of 0 means 1 step positive 1, 2 step positive 2, 3rd step positive 3, 4th step positive 4, etc. What we need is 7 steps to the right of 0. So plus 7 it is. Then 11 steps to the right of 0, it is plus 11. So after this I am giving as a note. See, what I said is integers means positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Positive numbers and negative numbers and 0 make this integers. So what about natural numbers? We have already learned about natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. which we are using for counting. Is it included in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are there. What about whole numbers? What do you mean by whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That's also there. So this means that integers include natural numbers, whole numbers, then 0 and negative numbers. Integers include natural numbers, whole numbers, 0 and negative numbers.